Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Kahin na kahin, there is someone for someone. It's a very romanticized concept, and maybe that someone might be yourself. Something like this has not been, this whole fairy tale looking thing. I haven't done something like this, and not very often do you get to watch a Hindi film that's, in this fairy tale. Never, yeah, I get anxiety even just thinking about it. I can't be on a date with somebody I don't even know, like I can't even process that. नहीं, I've never felt he's the one only. वो feeling ही नहीं आई. कभी नहीं आई. I like guys who don't get hassled when there's traffic and they are driving. Very big positive for me. Full feature film. It's this love story where this boy falls in love with a girl, and after he gets married to her, he finds out that she's a man. And I play the man in the film. So that's it. There's Commando 4 that's there in life. Soulmate, I don't know, but I'll tell you, I'm attracted to people who.
Welcome to India Forums.
Hi, thank you.
Okay, so let's start with Soul Saathi. Tell me something about that and about the character. I've seen the trailer. Trailer is looking really nice.
Thank you. I'm very excited about it because I get to play a double role for the first time. But it's not just the regular double role. I mean, it's not the normal Judva role that you have. It's me in two parts. Like, it's my body and the other one is my soul. It's something different.
Yeah.
I've not tried before. So I'm waiting to see what people think. I think people are really going to like it. I think girls everywhere who have tried to go on blind dates with boys will really identify with it. And I think it's a film that anyone can watch. So
Okay, have you shot this during this lockdown or like before that?
no, way before the lockdown actually. It was a film that was ready. We're just releasing it right now. And I'm glad we got a platform like Eros to premiere it. So I can't wait for people to watch it now.
Okay, release ho chuki hai. So what kind of feedback and review you getting?
Awesome feedback and reviews. Actually, even from the first trailer, people really liked it because something like this has not been. This whole fairy tale looking thing. I haven't done something like this, and not very often do you get to watch a Hindi film that's, in this fairy tale genre. So I think people really, really positively reacted from when our first trailer was out. And now since it's out, I'm getting a lot of messages, and I'm very, very happy with the feedback. So.
And also I read somewhere like you also believe in this, theory कि किसी के लिए कोई ना कोई बना हुआ है, this soulmate thing. Tell us about that.
I think I would like to believe, yes, in a thing that kahin na kahin, there is someone for someone. It's a very romanticized concept, and maybe that someone might be yourself. That's also there, and that might even be more romantic.
Okay, have you been to blind dates ever?
Never, yeah. I get anxiety even just thinking about it. I can't be on a date with somebody I don't even know. Like, I can't even process that. I'm not someone who would be able to handle it. I have had friends who told me instances of theirs, but I have not gone myself.
Okay, ऐसा कभी हुआ है ना, you met someone and like he's the one, like यही है मेरा soulmate, but थोड़े time बाद when you start, spending time, but then you said no, he's not actually the one. ऐसा कभी आपके साथ हुआ है?
नहीं, I've never felt he's the one only. वो feeling ही नहीं आई. कभी नहीं आई. I'm sure if I meet someone, I'll know. अभी तक वो feeling आई नहीं है.
Okay, so what kind of soulmate you want?
In life, soulmate, I don't know, but I'll tell you, I'm attracted to people who criteria. There's not so much criteria, but say people who like animals. That is, it's very attractive for me. Someone who is nice to people for no agenda of their, they don't have any agenda out of it. They're just nice to somebody. I find that a very attractive quality. I like guys who don't get hassled when there's traffic and they are driving. Very big positive for me. What else? Someone who's good to somebody who can't do anything for them is a very attractive quality for me. Yeah, treating people who are working for you well. Very attractive. Yeah.
And also playing double role. So how was the whole experience?
It was
While
very
shooting.
nice. It's an alag qisam ka double role. It's not the usual twins wala, judwa wala thing. So once people watch the film, they'll get to know who the other Radha is. And, it was nice. It was nice being interacting with me. I've never been my own co-star before, and I got to do that in this film. So.
Okay, so what else in the pipeline, if you can tell us?
So my next film is Man to Man. It is also directed by Abir, who's directed Soul Saathi, and it's a full feature film. It's this love story where this boy falls in love with a girl, and after he gets married to her, he finds out that she's a man, and I play the man in the film. So that's it. There's Commando 4 that's there, and my debut web series, The Holiday Ka season 2, we were supposed to shoot before lockdown.
Yeah, even I'm waiting for that.
I'm also waiting, yeah, but we've not shot that yet. We were supposed to go to Mexico before lockdown, but now after things open up a little, I'd gotten huge feedback from The Holiday, and there are so many girls, especially who I know who watched it, who really liked it and identified with it. And I think Soul Saathi is another film like that, where that audience who really liked Holiday will really enjoy Soul Saathi as well. So.
Okay, अभी आपने बताया बाहर हो, होटल में हो, shoot कर रहे हो. So what are precautions you taking? Because as we all know, the current scenario.
Yes, I think one thing that we can all do is keep our immunity up, because बाकी सब चीजें, I mean, we're wearing mask and everything, but like for an actor to be on set, I can't. And in this movie, I have like a whole prosthetic thing on my face. I have so wearing a mask isn't possible on set while shooting. Everyone else is in masks and all, so we are doing everything that we can. Everyone's getting regular corona checkups and वो सब हो रहा है. But other than that, I think keeping your immunity up is the only thing that we can do. So I'm trying to be strong and having kadas and sleeping well and working out and do it.
And what message, what will you like to say to the viewers for the Soul Saathi, especially?
It's a nice fairy tale, sweet love story. It'll get you to believe in love, and for those who already do believe in love, you will really enjoy watching it. It shows you what girls go through in an arranged marriage thing, where they go, to meet boys for an arranged marriage thing. A lot of awkward dates. It's a nice romantic comedy, and I'm sure you'd enjoy watching it. So go watch.
Thank you so much for giving your time, and we wish you all the luck. And please stay safe, and please follow all the precautions.
Yes, you too.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.